to connect with the Nigeria chapter of the Humanistic Management Network. We'd like to say thank you to you, everyone. Thank you for all your comments and everything. We will definitely make sure that we continue the conversation as we go on. It's been an awesome pleasure, and I have been very, very, very honored to moderate this session, this conference today. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this. Thank you.
It is of vital importance that we in the private sector have an expanded view of our responsibilities.
From Francis, he says, thank you so much, Professor Bello Osagie, for the lecture. Leaders often appoint into key positions based on trust, which often takes time to build. In a multicultural and multi-religious society like Nigeria, with historic ethnic clashes and wounds, how can one foster mutual trust among tribes with deep mistrust for one another? And can one truly hope for a method of selection in such environments, which is based purely on merit? So that's a question.
You know, as a nation, I would say unity and diversity is an aspiration, but it's the same aspiration that, if you like, you and I, in our various business places, we drive. In the sense, we seek harmony in pursuit of a team spirit.
Thank you so much, Eniton, and thank you so much for the organizers for inviting me. I think for me, looking at the theme, which is unity in diversity, I take the recruitment perspective to it, just thinking about Jobberman and the Brighter Monday brands and all the data we collect around the recruitment industry and around talent management and how that plays out given the diverse continent that Africa is and even Nigeria is as a country.
Now, you asked me, what are the major impediments to female inclusion in the workplace? It's things like workplace culture. And we talked about leadership, so it starts with leadership. It's workplace culture, it's the lack of female leaders and role models and exemplars, because when you see yourself, a lot of it is mindsets for women. You know, when you see yourself in those positions, so you see people who look like you, see people who've worked that journey and can show you that this is possible, it definitely helps in terms of shifting of the mindsets.
This was an amazing and very insightful panel, I think. And I'm just learning so much. I will need weeks to digest everything from this conference.